Physics and thermal energy. So when we talk about thermal energy, it's usually measured by what we call temperature. And the temperature of an object is basically just proportional to the average kinetic energy of the molecules in an object. So to express this a little bit, we're going to use an example of water. So with water, you have ice, which is the solid form of water. The molecules are all kind of rigidly packed together, and they don't really move much against each other. They're just kind of stuck there. That's what a solid does. And what this means is that the kinetic energy is relatively low. So low Ke. So, and then with like liquid water, they're getting a little bit more warm, and when they get warm, the molecules start to move around a little bit more. And when they move around, they're able to not be quite as rigid together, and that's why water, the molecules, they can just slide past one another. They can move around. And then with vapor, you've poured a lot of energy into it, and now the molecules are going every which way. They're able to move around, and they're able to basically become a gas entirely. So it's very proportional to how excited they are. So in ice is not very exciting. But with liquid water, you're talking about more energy, and with vapor, you're talking about relatively high energy, so like steam. And so it's kind of like when you have vapor, it's the reason you're basically able to get a steam burn, is that you have very high energy molecules that are hitting your skin and releasing energy, and so that's why you get burned so easily. So vapor is higher average energy. Liquid is a medium average energy. And then ice is lower average energy.